company profile, I would say, okay. Yeah, so ROCKWOOL is the world's largest producer of stone wool, right? They have factory all over the world, over more than 40 countries, right? In Europe, North America, and Southeast Asia, right? The company is over 100 years old, right?
Yeah, you need to remember exactly the number. Something you said the wrong figure, the wrong number.
If you don't know the number, you said they have factory and office around the world, Europe, a lot in Europe, in America, in Canada, and Southeast Asia.
Yeah.
But Southeast Asia, you have to know exactly, right? Yeah.
Yeah, but if you mention about the number, you need to.
Yeah.
The message would be exactly.
You can be all over the world. If you have this, you can live in 40 countries across Europe. Yeah. And it's over 100 years old, right? You can follow like this. You can point. You can see the number, and then you point at this, right?
And then that time you remember, right?
Yeah. So what we want to show this is it's very old company, right? Very special because do nothing else, only ROCKWOOL, right? We don't want to be sharp. To me, we don't want to show we are proud. We are biggest company. Not the message that to me would message. We would message that we are over 100 years doing the ROCKWOOL, very specialist, very expert in what we are doing. Things like that. That is the message, right? Okay, in Asia, then it come to Asia, since 1980, they put here, yeah. In Asia since 1980, right? So we have factory in China, Malaysia, Thailand, right? If they know about the Thailand history about CSR, then you mention. If they don't know, don't have to mention, right? Right? Yeah. Okay, then in Vietnam, we are here over 10 years, I would say that, we have office in Ho Chi Minh, and lately we have office in Hanoi. You don't have to say that, we are over 10 years here, but only office in Ho Chi Minh. It seems like Hanoi is left out, right? Right? Yeah, we are in Vietnam more than 10 years. We have office in Ho Chi Minh, more than 10 years. Yeah, even with the office there, we also work with the project in Hanoi. Yeah. And lately, we just have office in Hanoi this year. That's why I'm here, right? And just to more focus to serve the client here. Yeah. That would be the message, right? Okay, and this, Right, so from the factory in around Southeast Asia, we cover the market in Southeast Asia, including Japan, Korea, Australia, and New Zealand. Yeah. Our company have mission and value. Our mission. This sometimes with the big company you talk, with the small company you don't have to, right? Yeah.
Depend on.
Yeah, but if you have to mention this, you have to lead this. You don't say something wrong from this. If you want the mission is to protect life, sustain the environment by making building fire safe, energy efficiency, and comfortable. You have to do like exactly like this. You don't change the word.
Yeah, because you show it and then you can read it.
Yeah, you just read it.
Wrong.
Yeah.
You no need to remember.
Yeah, but you have to read it. You don't say different word from this. But with the big company where they also have this kind of thing, you mention. With the not big, you don't have to mention. The meaning is, just to explain you why, protect life, right? Because of fire protection, right? Yeah, sustain environment because the material is from natural, right? Okay, and then it's clearly mentioned by making fire safe because our product is not only insulation, it's fire safe, fire protect. It helps energy efficiency because protect heat and protect heat to the building, and you also feel comfortable when the insulation is also sound absorption. That is, that's why it comes with this mission. Our value, we already mentioned. The way we work, we have keep very focused on our value. 5 core value is this: honest, right? Okay, This you can see that in Asia we have reference project with Petronas in Malaysia use a lot of our product for curtain wall.
Curtain wall.
Yeah, for curtain wall. Yeah. This in Eiffel also used. Yeah.
For airplane tower.
What part?
I don't know.
What
I don't know.
Because
Yeah, so you don't have to say if we talk in Asia.
maybe because there are picture
yeah,
alpha.
this is
Yeah, they had the building inside.
there is the
Building
building.
inside?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
No.
believe it's a fire protection. I believe it's a fire
Yeah,
protection.
they had the building some room inside.
Yeah, they have some room.
Yeah.
Yeah, they had actually they had the lift.
Yeah, they have the lift.
Up, yeah.
But don't have to mention, yeah. Wow, from here it's also used Europe with the iPhone, right? This is the
Empire State.
Empire State, yeah, they use. This is the newest casino hotel and casino in Singapore.
Mandara.
Marina Bay Sands.
Marina Bay, yeah. This is the airport in Thailand, yeah.
Airport.
Yeah, the airport.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's one of them.
Yes, Suvarnabhumi, the latest airport. What they say here?
If one different. One different.
What different?
You can talk this reference, right? And then, yeah, ROCKWOOL. This I would say talk more about the ROCKWOOL now is our brand, right? In general, people call the product ROCKWOOL. Actually, ROCKWOOL is our brand now. Yeah, we already registered in Southeast Asia and China. It's the brand. So normally when we call product, we would use stone wool. So if you can see, if they specify ROCKWOOL, it should be our product. You can say that. Okay. And this you talk about this 4-in-1, right? ROCKWOOL is only insulation product where give you a 4-in-1 benefit, right? Fire protection, noise, absorption, thermal, and also in terms of environmental, it is environmental friendly, sustainable solution. Do we talk about this? Sometimes we don't must this, but we can say that the way we work in the market with client, we also try to be a solution provider. Like for example, when we talk about insulation, we also talk about the system related. We talk about technical support in calculation. It requires we have our technical team. We are being trained. You also being trained on technical, and also have technical team back in Thailand, back in Singapore, Malaysia to support if it needs. Yeah. India here not talk about much in this, right?
Actually, that is the add value.
Yeah.
CSR. That is the add value of the group.
Yeah, you can say that the group also give important on
Sponsor for social.
Social.
Corporate social responsibility, they call CSR, right? Yeah. You can say that our product in Europe is 100% recycled. In Asia, there are some parts that is recycle. It means they can bring the product back to recycle.
So it means CSR has been the rubber company at the responsibility with the social, with your country. You put the factory, so it means they will get the capital or the fund, right, to sponsor for the social. Yeah, sponsor for donating. Charity to social. Yeah, they have a fund. They need to define the fund to do that. That is our responsibility of the group. Yeah, this is the add value. We care about the social, not only sell the product.
Yeah,
we bring the benefit to the people, to the country.
Okay, and then when it comes to our product, actually in the full one. Then after this, we'd go to the production process, right, where it made form, right, what the process, right, and then come to the products. Yeah, we divide our product into by the application. For building, we call GBI, general building application, and the product used is thermal rock, right? We will use the name thermal rock. Thermal rock has thermal rock B and S. Yeah, I normally would say like this here. S, it means slab. Slab is in the quite a rigid form, right? Normally seconded by 1.2 meter width, you know. Yeah. If it's blanket it means in the longer length. If you want a longer length for easy installation, for example, like roofing, maybe it's easy to install, so it will make longer, and the product will be softer, be able to fold. So that's why it's called blanket. Yeah. You don't have to say thermal rock B, so and so thing density, and then thermal rock S, so and so density again, repeat again. This is the same product, different in the slab, it is in a hard form, normally this size or bigger size, 1.2 by 1.2 also possible. But if it needs longer length, then it becomes slab, where it can fold. And then you should mention that if they talk about slab, our product will be fold like this, it's not like this, right? Yeah, so this is mainly used for thermal insulation for building. We can talk later where it's used. Normally with the roof, with the partition. I can show you later where it's used in the building, right? If you have that slide, right? So this was for thermal insulation, mainly the roof or for the wall slab, and you can see in this picture, the density of the product will start from 40 kg until above 140 kg. Right? The thickness starts from 75 mm into up to 100 mm, or if more than this, you can put more than one layer, right? When it's used with the roof, some of the case they would use aluminum foil, right, for as a good finishing, or also can be barrier. What the word you use, barrier? For the moisture barrier. You mentioned that?
Yeah,
okay.
moisture barrier.
Because the foil can be attached on one side, right? If you put under the roof, then the foil will be under for finishing, so the product not losing or falling down, right? Or in some case, it's used for a moisture barrier. In the case that in the cold weather, normally would consider that, right? Or it can be facing with different material. If you use for a wall for sound absorption, will be black matte tissue, or wrap with glass coat, right? Normally this is no need to go to the K value, right? Unless specific case or contacted will go. So now thermal rock S and blanket, you finish. So for industrial use, or what the word, I think it's for equipment and process, right? Because if you said factory, then you would think of
you think of the building of factory. Yeah, not
so the building for factory also building.
So you think, okay, if you apply rock wool, stone wool for equipment,
for equipment or production process, or mainly it's hot process, you can say that, or boiler, right?
If you that's a rock wool for
factory.
I think quite different.
Right, so that is the difference. Yeah, okay. If we use for the factory process or production process, or what the word?
Equipment.
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 We call rock tech. Because in those applications, the standard require is different, right? For the industrial application or equipment, they would more concern on the temperature that the product will be used, and the standard for the industrial, right? So that's why we have to separate into a different name of products. Okay, it also ROCKTEC B blanket with a longer length, right? If it in the it's slab form, we call ROCKTEC S, right? And you can see from here the way we call product type B350, 460. This is based on the operating temperature of that equipment.
Not as
Yeah.
big.
Right? Yeah, we don't call density.
Yeah.
We don't call 8, 40, 60. This is because of different application, because industrial they would based on what the operation operate. So that to select the product. And from here you can see that the K value is different in different operating temp. This you can tell, right? Where it can use, yeah, this you can see boiler, vessel, yeah, mainly the process with high temperature, they need to insulate, otherwise it lose the heat, lose the energy. Right. Slab mainly for the what you call flat surface, right? If it curved, it should be blanket. If for the vessel or boiler for easy installation, we call ROCKTEC Y-mat. So it's a blanket with Y-mat on one side, right? For easy installation. With Y-mat can be galvanized or stainless steel, right? Yep. Yeah, this is the way you install with the mesh. They can easily hold it. If you use slab or blanket, it will lose out, right? It cannot stay. By Y-mat. For pipe, yeah, we can use Y-mat. Can use, or you can use.
For that is for the big pipe.
For the big pipe, you also can use Y-mat, or you can use the finished P form we call SPI. SPI come from sectional pipe insulation. Yeah, you can use this. It made to the diameter and the thickness required. When you install, you just open and put it in. It's easy install and better insulation. Right? Yeah. Yep. With the ROCKTEC, you can see that it meets the standard required by the industrial ASTM. Different products have different ASTM according to the industrial required. You can see we can meet all. ROCKTEC, you don't talk about this. See, you can see that, right? Yeah, so that is the product range, and then it depends on if the customer on the industrial, you can go more in detail. If the customer on the building, you can go more detail. And then you can go to the application, the picture, right? The picture. Okay, for the building, we use mainly to insulate with, and start from the roof, because roof is metal sheet mainly. It's a lot of heat transfer. You need to have the insulation, or use for wall, external wall. For external wall in Europe, they use because it's very cold temperature. Hanoi also cold temperature, but we're not much aware. Actually, we should. You don't say that we don't use. Actually, you can say that in the cold temperature.
I don't see.
If the wall is with insulation, the house can be less cool in the winter. Right? you can expand that for Hanoi.